In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a codebook in Dedoose. Now, first, you want to go to codes over here, and this is where you can basically create your codebook. So as you can see here, I already have a codebook over here. It's been created inside this demo project, and I'm going to show you how to actually modify it or create it from scratch. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to create codes. So for example, if you want to add a new one, click on the plus button top right. And then from here, you can give it a title, description, and custom colors as well. So this one is just going to be tutorial code 1. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. And the description, I'm going to just leave it blank. And then the custom color here, I'm going to actually make it green like this. And you can also enable code weighing. So if you want to enable this weighting, it will assume a numerical scale. For example, like 1 to 5 for centimeter or something like this. I'm going to leave this off, and I'm going to click on submit. Now this is going to add a new code in here, just like you can see over here, and it's now appeared inside my codebook. Now, if you actually want to add a new code in here, you can also add child codes. So to do this, you could use this button down here, but the easiest way to do it would be the following. So you can just add a new code. So click on up here, and I'm going to do tutorial code 1, and then I'm going to do 1 over here because I want to put it inside here, for example. And then I'm going to just leave the color like it is, press submit, and it's going to create it as a new one. So what I can do is just click and drag and drop it in here. And as you can see, I've now put this one as the parent code, and now as a child code, I have this one over here. And of course, I can create as many as I want to as well from here on. Now, if you want to take this out of here, it's simple. You want to click on it, and then you want to go and click on make root. Or of course, you could go and click on here as well. So click on yes, and it's going to make it a root code, and it's not going to be a child code under a parent code anymore. Now, of course, you could also click on these check marks here, which is going to allow you to merge different codes and create a codebook that way. You could also click on them and click on add child code from here, which is going to allow you to basically create child codes without having to click and drag and drop anything, which is quite convenient. And of course, if you don't want them anymore, you could also delete them down here at the bottom right. So that way you can build your own codebook very easily. And then up top here, you can see you can basically sort these by code order. You could go and basically apply different filters. You have color schemes. You can expand or collapse it like this. And yeah, that's essentially how to create a codebook in Dedoose. You could also go ahead and import codes in case you have any, for example, like maybe in some sheets or something like this. You could do that as well. You could use these code charts, autocode, text analysis, etc. You could use those tools, but the most basic way to do this is the one I showed you right now. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.